Hello everybody. I have recently got a new Airtel FTTH broadband connection installed at my home in Bhopal. My plan is 16 Mbps. So let's check the speed. Speedtest.net is the best website to check the speed. Whenever I check the speed, I always keep my task manager opened up just to keep check whether any service is using the bandwidth in background or not. Now it's zero. Everything is zero. Send and receive is zero. So let's perform the test. We have got ping of 6 milliseconds. In FTTH broadband, upload and downloads upload and download both speeds are same. That is, my plan is 16 Mbps, so download speed will also be 16 and upload speed will also be 16. So we have got our result. Okay, the result is good. My plan is 16, but I'm getting 18.84 and 18.91. Let's check it again. It's been 14 days since the installation of my connection. I have never got speed less than 18 Mbps. So the connection is working fine. Again we have got 18.58. See, I have never got below 18 Mbps. And mostly I get above 18.5 only, both the speeds. See, speeds are good. There's one more way to check the speed. Instead of using this website, we can use this app also. It works in the same way, but instead of opening up the website, you can use this app. You can download this app from Microsoft Store. This app is for desktop and PCs only. So while the test is running, let's perform some pings. Let's ping Google DNS 8.8.8.8. One more ping bing.com, and one more ping, and this time let's ping google.com. Okay, so our speed test is completed successfully. So let's check. Okay, you can see in the task manager send and receive is 0. There is one more thing in this speed test tab: history, result history. Till now, whatever test I have performed, it shows up here. The list of all the tests I have performed are shown here. So you can see, never I have got ping above 6, and always I have got 18 Mbps minimum. You can check the history. See, I have never got below 18 Mbps. So let's end up our all the pings. For Google DNS, we are getting ping of mostly it is 2425, and in this case it is 2120, and in this case, Bing case, it is 2122. Okay, fine. So let's end up. Okay, so you can see lost is 0 and maximum minimum is there. Minimum 20 and maximum is 23. Here minimum is 19 and maximum is 31. Average is 21. Average is 21. That is good. Here also average is 21. So far Airtel fiber is working good, and everything is fine. And thanks for watching my video. Like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you.